Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to investigate our backyard because it was a long time since we ever even gone there. Oh my god, I thought there were webs here because...
So rusty. There is webs.
Oh shoot, oh it's stuck. Let's go. Okay, I'm actually kind of oh shoot, I'm so... Yeah.
No, let's stay up here.
Okay, I'm gonna go down. Holy. It's okay, I'm fine. Okay, so we are going to investigate if anyone is here because I've been hearing footsteps like everywhere. Dude, you see anything? Wait, there's a guy up there. If you guys see that, there's a guy up there. Up there, on the mountain. It disappeared. Okay, this is really creepy because this is our first time we've ever even been in our backyard. It's so cold. Like, whoa! Oh my goodness, what was that? Okay, guys, I saw something. Dude, that's your garden. What? Oh yeah. Dude, he's gone. Dude, I swear there was someone up there. Oh my goodness, dude. You scared me. Wait, let's check down here because last time I found a note here with my ring box. So, oh my goodness, ants. No. Oh. Wait, what is that? I see like a black thing. Looks like a figure. What do you think that is? I think that's the guy who's making footsteps. There? But that's our neighbors. Wait a minute. Okay. If you guys see anything, comment down below because I cannot see anything.
Check Tiny, check Tiny.
Tiny? Okay.
Tiny.
Okay, now Tiny, it helps us. Oh shoot. Oh. Okay, since we found nothing, looks like we have to end the video. Please comment down below if you guys saw anything. Which is like really creepy. Because I am so scared right now.